rhythm, steady on the track. Me a shake my soul, not turn them back.
Nightfall drop, my eyelids start to close. Small flicker of breeze, me wait through repose. Deep in the silence, me not alone. Footsteps in a mine, old faces well known. Me hear a chant, a rhythm in a breeze. Them calling me close, them guiding me knee. When me sleep, the elders them speak. Hear them call, voice from the deep. Them wisdom me seek. When me sleep, the elders them speak. Hear them call, melody sweet, roots feeling peak.
Deep in a rhythm, me know who what are. Spirit step gentle when my mind oh ah.
Me dep on the corner, stress on the street. Ancestor show me, move strong, move neat. Keep culture high, no bow to defeat. Them tell me stand firm, dep on your feet. Me feel the link, it tighten every day. Guidance where them send, or show me the way. When me sleep, the elders them speak. Hear them call, voice from the deep. Them wisdom me seek. When me sleep, the elders them speak. Hear them call, melody sweet, roots feeling deep.
Bassline a carry me forward from deep. Lessons a bubble when I'm still asleep.
Vision clear, misty rivers run low. Elders remind, take care of your soul. Jah give me patience, make blessings grow. In the night, them show me what me need for know.
Elders they so always in reach. Night after night, them teach and them teach. When me sleep, the elders them speak. Hear them call, voice from the deep. Them wisdom me see.